Hi everyone, I'm Catherine Grill. I'm one of the founders of Neolth, and I'm here today to show you how to find your favorite practices in the Neolth app. So Neolth has a whole bunch of types of guided practices that are made by actual doctors and therapists to help you learn how to manage stress and build different skills for resilience. There are lots of different types of practices, and I'm going to show you what they are and how to find them. So I'm going to jump in here and share my screen. So you can find your Neolth practices in the practices section. Just click into this tab and you'll see your practice library. Now, when you first sign up for Neolth, your library is going to be a bit smaller. You're going to see different practices that are labeled starter practices, which everybody can access so you can start to learn what type of content is on the program. And then you'll also get practices that are personalized for your health needs. As you go over time and you engage more with this program, this library will slowly grow with you. That way you have a smaller amount of practices to choose from that are really personalized for you. And as you get more familiar with the techniques, the library will grow and you'll be able to easier sort through, which activities are best in the moment based on your needs. So this is an account who's been on here for a while. Their library is a bit larger. If you're wanting to find a practice and you have a large library like this, you can use our filters on the side. They're super easy. You can try to use the type filter, which you could look for journaling, for example, if that's what you want to do. You could use the length of time. Maybe you have 10 minutes, and it will help you find those activities in the search filters. You could also use here the type in search. Maybe you want to do a body scan, you can type that in, and you can see the different type of activities associated with that. You can also search and filter for different activities by hitting this star here. When you hit a star, that will favorite an activity, and then all the activities that are your most loved, most favorites, those will show up on your favorite tabs. You can even add activities to your top 5. These will show up on your dashboard. So just hit manage. You can drag and drop different practices into your top 5. And these will then have quick links that you can access right from your dashboard. Click into the activity, and there you go. So that's how you access all of the different practices and guided exercises on Neolth. We hope that you enjoy, and remember, they're available to you 24/7 to use whenever you need a little bit of relaxation.